China's deserts were expanding at an alarming rate.
Sandstorms were destroying nearby cities and farms.
The land had... Strong winds kept spreading sand.
From space,
China needed a radical solution. Traditional plant...
Water supply was too expensive. Extreme heat killed young plants.
Irrigation systems collapsed.
Extreme heat killed young plants.
Need. We have to reconsider the entire approach. The current model isn't sustainable.
But the data suggests...
That's when biology became the answer.
Survival rates were very low. China launched an $8 billion plan.
Experts joined forces.
Let time work.
Results were expected over decades. The goal was ecosystem revival. The goal was ecosystem revival. Each phase was carefully planned.
Rabbits were the perfect choice.
They naturally manage vegetation.
Their waste enriches soil. They don't damage the land.
Nature does the work.
Millions became a workforce.
Deployment was carefully controlled.
Zones prevented overgrazing.
Technology supported nature.
Risks were managed. The plan was working. Nutrients slowly returned. Organic fertilizer spread everywhere. Plant roots could finally grow.
Water retention improved.
The change was visible.
Life returned underground.
The foundation was restored.
Green shoots appeared.
Local species thrived.
Sand stopped moving. Vegetation spread slowly. Sandstorms weakened. The desert began to heal. Sand stopped drifting. Wind speed dropped. A dramatic difference. Stability returned. Nature found balance. Land survived dry seasons. Aquifers slowly refilled. Plants stayed alive.
Water storage improved.
Rainwater stayed longer.
The food chain rebuilt. Ecosystem balance formed. Control was maintained.
Results amazed experts.
The land was alive again. Technology watched from space. Growth was tracked digitally. Every detail was recorded. Climate impact measured. Nature met technologie.
Employment increased.
Future risks forecasted.
Local economies benefited.
Lives improved.
Economic flow returned. Hope turned real.
Heat reduced.
Even animals benefited. Even animals benefited. Even animals benefited. Small actions mattered. The project expanded.
Expansion was planned.
Nationwide effort began.
Models were reused. Connectivity improved.
The world took notice.
Northfrontier, and ideas were shared.
Legal mission. The replication data is clear. The success rate in the Sonoran environment is much higher.
We need to consider the impact on the
Inspiration worldwide. A model for Earth.
Lessons were learned.
Risks were managed.
Flexibility ensured success.
Coexistence required care.
Nature tested limits. Nothing was random.
Constant evaluation.
This was built to last.
Resources balanced. Nature took control.
Forests followed grass.
Future secured.
Borders protected.
Education returned.
Communities revived.
Fires. Living standards improved. Future generations stayed.
Food security improved. Food security improved.
Health risks reduced. Life normalized.
Next generation leads.
Prepared for future. Growth without harm. A shared future.
The journey continues.
The desert was reborn. Nature always finds a way. One planet, one future.
Nature healed itself.
Proof of change.